for the next hour, I don't know, sit down and find monologues. Screenshot, save, and copy and paste, whatever it is you got to do. Like, build yourself a giant bank of monologues and work with them. Heck, memorize them. I don't know. Whatever you want to do, work with them on a daily basis. Brand new script you've never seen. Work with it, analyze it, Swiss cheese it, record it, listen back, and repeat and rinse every single day until you're able to easily, quickly, like, make that sword in the forge. Um, because it is a skill, it takes time and continued application of the honing process to really sharpen the skill. Like you said, time, right? It's gonna require. I'm so glad that you have the understanding that this will take time. It will indeed take time, and through these daily practices, through these workshops, through these coaching sessions, anything and everything you'll do to become a better actor, not a voice actor, but an actor. Through the process of this, you'll become a better actor. That's the point. That's the purpose.